Not sure which crypto to trade today? No more excuses. Crypto.bo shows you the coins ready to move 24/7. Welcome to crypto.bo, a 100% free platform built by traders to help you make clear, confident decisions fast. This site tells you which asset is about to move violently and, most importantly, how to catch the move clean. Two powerful tools built to scan the market and anticipate volatility. The scalping screener, updated every minute, helps you catch explosive short-term moves. The intraday screener, updated every 30 minutes, spots the best opportunities of the day. Whether it's long or short, want more than just a signal. The crypto.bo TradingView script shows you clear entries, precise targets, and invalidation zones. This script is reserved for VIP members, but access is 100% free if you follow the steps on the site. That's not all. VIPs also get major fee discounts on partner exchanges and access to a private Discord where trades are shared live in real time. How do you use crypto.bo? Step 1, go to the website. Step 2, pick a coin from the screener, let's say Bonk. From there, you've got two options. You can run your own scalping analysis, knowing momentum is about to hit that asset. Or you can trust crypto.bo. Load the script on TradingView. Choose your setup, pick your direction, and follow the plan, clean and simple. Built by traders for traders, no guessing, no noise, beautiful and obvious. Join us at crypto.bo.